No wonder Blue Ivy always forbids her younger sister from making noises on the stage. No one realizes that Beyoncé has set 3 strict rules for them for this tour. Firstly, Beyoncé doesn't allow her daughters to interrupt her while she is working. Once they violate this rule, Beyoncé will cancel their qualification for the next tour. That's why when her younger sister suddenly interrupts Beyoncé while she is speaking, Blue Ivy stops her in a flurry, fearing that her sister's behavior will invite criticism from their mother and netizens. Secondly, as the elder sister, Blue Ivy must manage her younger sister well. Blue Ivy's younger sister is only 7 years old this year, and it's inevitable that she will be overly excited during her first stage tour. As the elder sister, Blue Ivy has to stop her younger sister before she makes inappropriate moves. So when her younger sister forgot to get off the stage because she was hugging their mother, Blue Ivy immediately went up and pulled her away. Finally, they must strictly abide by the stage procedures. Although Beyoncé dotes on her daughters very much in normal times, when it comes to the stage and music, she will never allow even the slightest mistake. Therefore, she requires her daughters to perform according to the rehearsal procedures to ensure the best stage effect. Do you think Beyoncé's rules are reasonable?